Welcome to Rachel and Chris's cooking show! Today, we're going to teach you how to make cookies, gingerbread cookies, with your elbows.
Now, before you start, remember to wash your elbows.
It's not cheating to use your hands. And you might want to wear an apron, because things might get a little messy. So to make this recipe, we're using Betty Crocker's gingerbread cookie mix. And when we first were opening it, we were using our elbows, but we decided that we'd better use our hands instead for safety purposes. So yeah, first we're gonna add that to the bowl. So take it, then dump it. Just give that a little shake with your elbows.
Turn it.
Then, after you finish pouring, take it, throw it in the trash.
Next, we're going to pour the butter into the bowl.
Oh no! Scrape it out with your elbow. No, this is not smart.
Wait.
Come on. You need to grab a spatula.
Oh.
Go get a spoon, Chris.
There's a little bit more.
Don't let it fall off the counter, Chris. Okay. We're good. There.
Okay.
Give me that.
Next, we're going to add the water to this wonderful mixture.
Then we're gonna stir it with a spoon. How are we gonna do this? So with this recipe, it was kind of hard to measure the ingredients by elbow. So we had to cheat a little and use our hands, especially for the egg. That was a little bit tricky. So yeah, anyways, the next ingredient is
The egg! So, we're going to add this gorgeous egg into the mixture. Oh.
Mix it in with your elbows.
Okay, and we're almost done.
Now we have our dough.
All mixed up.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a clump of the dough and we're gonna do this snickerdoodle style. So take a clump of the dough and put it in a bowl of sugar. In a bowl of sugar. Then you're going to roll it around in the sugar bowl. And That's if I were to make it shape.
That's essential or that's essential?
We'll just do like this. It'll be fine. Like that.
Genius!
Okay.
So if you ever need to get a drawer open, do this. Like that. See that? Oh my gosh. And then you can just...
Oh. Damn, this is looking good. Ish. It's looking
This is looking good!
better than what I had imagined.
True.
Got some more, Rachel.
Yeah. So here are the cookies after they've been cooked. Not bad, if I say so myself. And we didn't put them in the oven with our elbows. That seemed a little bit risky, so we just had something else to do with this. So yeah, we're gonna try them. Watch as we eat the cookies with our elbows.